This is how you can change YouTube Shorts thumbnail. Go to your YouTube channel, go to Shorts section, find the shorts you want to change YouTube thumbnail of, tap on the three dot, tap on edit, tap on this pencil icon, choose the thumbnail by frame. You cannot upload, all you have to do is select from here. If you want your custom thumbnail, what you can do is add like a 0.1 second or 1 second frame anywhere in between your shorts video, and you can choose from frame here like this. Yep, there, and save.